Hey everybody, we're out here at another auction today in Darlington, South Carolina. It's being hosted by Rebel Auction Company. Come along today and we're going to check out a little bit of stuff they got, and we're going to keep our eyes on a few different tractors and see how the day turns out. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Here's a 1839 inline massive square baler. Here's a Massey 165 with a loader. .2030 John Deere. Feels good here, y'all. 3,034 hours, I believe, yeah. Case Magnum 290.
Nope, 2,000, that'll bring to 2,000. 1258, that's what the 700 of the business, 600 7 of mine, 800 of the business, 8 7 of mine, 8 900 of the business, 900 of the business, 9,000 of the business, 8 1,900 of the business, 1,000 of the business, 1,900 of the business, 1,000 of the business, 8,000, 11, 8,000 of the business, 1150, 1150, 1100 of the 50, 1100 of the 50, so 1,100 of the 50, 1,100.
Here's a John Deere 1770 Max Emerge Plus vacuum meter. It's a 12 row. Looks like it'll get a lot cleaner fast. Irrigation reels.
$19,500's what he said. $20,000. $19,500 on the net. Now $20,000. $19,520. $20,000 now 20. $19,520. Got entered at it. $19,520. $20,000 now 20. So internet for $19,500. 9,510. Total 9,500. Keep together. 9,500. 1,009. 1,009. Alright, now what we got in the back? Got a generator. Two cycle power unit. 7.5 kW. Is that right? Number 2. No, don't jump on the list. 268. Call that another pump. Is that a generator or a pump? If I'm not sick down in the $5,000. Is sick down in the $5,000. Is down in the $5,600. Is $7 down in the $765. Is it in the $65 to $295? Is $65 65. I got so short. I got 6 down 5. Is sick down in the $5,605. Is sick down in the $5,600. Which one I got? Sick down in the 5.
Here's a Vermeer 5400 Rebel. I like them gathering wheels. That's what I want to go on my baler. This baler looks small. I don't know what size bale it makes.
$2,000 year model right here. How much here, gentlemen? $7,500. $45.55. Here, $555. $55. Here, you're out internet. $5,055. $6,000. $6,000. $5,506. $6,006. Got 55.6. 7.5. Now 6,000 internet. 57.5. 6. 6,000 now 6. 66 on the floor now 7. 67. 6,667. Yes sir, no 7. Sold on the floor $6,600. 1152. 1152. You 75 sell a tractor, then one sell a hair. Against the sale, but don't let him. 45, 46,000. Don't even think about letting him. 45, $46,000. 45, $46,000. 45, $46,000. So right here, 45,000.